how you doing? How's everybody enjoying the 2014?
We are loving it. We are loving it. We're dancing. We're playing. We're networking. We're crosswalking.
Crosswalking. Okay, excellent. Well, we come up with this crazy. It's called Dance Walking. You guys want to join us?
Yeah!
All right, so we're heading this way. I got a really awesome song. I don't know about you, but I'm pretty happy right now. So
I'm happy.
Let's get it.
Are you happy?
Maybe.
Are you happy?
Watch my back for me.
I'm watching these poles are up and down.
Dance Walking is the newest, best fitness craze going around the country. Dance right here, St. Louis, baby!
It's St. Louis from Montana!
Watch it. Thank you. Watch it curve. All right, give it a shout.
Yeah, big Dan! Some dance walk!
Oh, good save. Good save.
All right, we got 6 seconds to get across the street. Come on.
I should probably
Go quick.